Wake up like never before with sensorwake trio. The first alarm clock that activates your senses with smell, sight and sound. Hello, my name is Guillaume. One morning I woke up and I dreamed I could smell a fresh cup of coffee waking me up. Sensorwake started in a garage. The first alarm clock that uses not only sounds or light, but also fragrances that stimulates your sense of smell to gently wake you up. This full senses wake-up concept was selected by Google to be one of the top inventions that could change the world. Google helped me showcase my invention and make it blossom.
And finally, this is kind of cool. I read that a company called sensorwake is developing an alarm clock that wakes people up using various smells.
The sensorwake, and I was like, I'm gonna order that immediately. So that's what I did.
But we didn't want to stop there. We wanted to improve, to enhance, to innovate.
Introducing the 3-minute, 3 steps with sensorwake trio. We have evolved from a simple scent-based alarm clock to an all-in-one device that stimulates your senses, smell, light, and finally sound. 3 steps, 3 minutes. Minute 1, it starts off with your selected smell, then minute 2, the soothing light, and finally minute 3, a motivating melody. Snooze however long you wish, and sensorwake will repeat the alarm in 10 minutes. 1 capsule lasts 30 mornings. Replace it every month.
We have 100% natural derived fragrances for fresh awakenings, such as pine forest or rose garden, as well as breakfast-inspired fragrances like chocolate factory and orange juice. And the most popular is also my favorite, cappuccino. We created truly authentic fragrances, respecting the most strict air quality standards with Givaudan, the world leader in fragrance creation. Our patented dry diffusion technology is safe, healthy, and mess-free.
Our mission is simple. We want to wake you up feeling great and motivated. So what's next? The electronic components are ready. The molds have been made, so we are all set up to manufacture. So hurry up, don't press snooze.
Back sensorwake trio now. Together we can build a better way to wake up.
My favorite fragrance? Freshly squeezed orange juice. I wake up to it and I always grab a glass to go before class. It's so refreshing.
My favorite scent is the espresso one. It reminds me of my first coffee in the morning.
Pine forest is my favorite because it's like walking through the countryside and it's a boost of nature and a splash of sunshine every morning.
we have evolved from a simple scent-based alarm clock to an all-in-one device that stimulates your senses, smell, light, and finally sound. 3 steps, 3 minutes. 1 capsule lasts 30 mornings. Replace it every month.